Section 1. A looming health crisis: ultra-processed foods and premature deaths. In today's fast-paced world, convenience often takes precedence over nutrition, leading to a significant shift in our dietary habits. The modern food landscape is changing. Convenience often trumps nutrition. Supermarkets are filled with aisles upon aisles of ultra-processed foods, making it easy for consumers to opt for quick and easy meal solutions. Unfortunately, this comes at a cost. While these foods may save time, they often lack essential nutrients and are packed with unhealthy additives. There's growing concern about ultra-processed foods. These items, which include sugary cereals, packaged snacks, and ready-to-eat meals, are becoming staples in many households. These foods dominate grocery store shelves. Their bright packaging and convenience appeal to busy individuals and families. They are quick and easy options in our busy lives. For many, the allure of saving time in meal preparation is hard to resist. However, studies now link them to serious health problems. Research has shown that a diet high in ultra-processed foods can lead to a range of health issues, including obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. One major concern is premature death. The consumption of these foods has been associated with an increased risk of early mortality. This is especially true for middle-aged individuals. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible to the negative effects of poor diet. We need to understand the risks of these foods. It's crucial to be aware of what we're putting into our bodies and the potential long-term effects. We must make informed choices for our health. Opting for whole, unprocessed foods can significantly improve our well-being and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. By prioritizing nutrition over convenience, we can take control of our health and ensure a longer, healthier life. Section 2. Decoding the labels. What makes food ultra-processed? Ultra-processed foods go beyond basic cooking. They involve industrial processing. Manufacturers combine many ingredients. These ingredients are often artificial. Think flavors, colors, and preservatives. These foods are designed for long shelf life. They are made to be appealing to our senses. Examples include packaged snacks like chips and cookies, sugary breakfast cereals, instant noodles and soups, ready-to-eat meals, and reconstituted meat products. Section 3. The British study: a stark warning for middle-aged consumers. In recent years, the dietary habits of middle-aged individuals have come under scrutiny. A recent study in Britain revealed alarming findings. Conducted by leading health experts, this study delved deep into the eating patterns of the population. It focused on ultra-processed food consumption. These foods, often convenient and tasty, are becoming a staple in many households. The study found a strong link to premature deaths. The data was clear and compelling, showing that those who consumed higher amounts of these foods faced significant health risks. This was especially true for middle-aged Brits. The age group that should be in the prime of their lives is facing unexpected health challenges. Those who ate the most ultra-processed foods were at higher risk. Fast food, ready meals, and sugary snacks are all culprits. They had increased chances of dying from various causes. The risks weren't limited to just one or two health issues. These include heart disease, cancer, and dementia. Each of these conditions can drastically reduce quality of life and longevity. The study is a wake-up call. It's a stark reminder that our daily choices have long-term consequences. It highlights the need to pay attention to our diets. Making healthier food choices can lead to better health outcomes. Incorporating more fresh produce, whole grains, and lean proteins can make a significant difference. Community initiatives and educational programs can also play a crucial role in spreading awareness. It's not just about individual choices, but also about creating a supportive environment for healthier living. Alongside a balanced diet, regular physical activity is essential. Exercise helps in maintaining a healthy weight and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. By making these changes, middle-aged individuals can improve their health and well-being. It's never too late to start making better choices. Remember, every small step towards a healthier lifestyle counts. Let's take this warning seriously and strive for a better future. Section 4. Unpacking the nutritional void. How ultra-processed foods harm our bodies. Ultra-processed foods are often low in nutrients. They lack the vitamins and minerals our bodies need. Instead, they are loaded with unhealthy ingredients. These include added sugars, unhealthy fats, and excessive salt. Consuming these foods regularly can lead to various health issues. These include weight gain and obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, certain types of cancer, and digestive problems. Section 5. The Global Perspective, Ultra-Processed Diets and Rising Health Concerns. The problem of ultra-processed foods is not limited to Britain, it's a global issue. As these foods become more available, consumption rises. This is happening worldwide, particularly in developing nations. The health consequences are being felt on a wider scale. International health organizations are raising concerns. They're urging for policies to curb the consumption of these harmful foods. Section 6. Beyond the headlines, addressing the study's limitations. While the British study provides valuable insights, it's essential to acknowledge its limitations. The study relied on self-reported dietary information. This can be subject to recall bias. It's also observational. It shows a correlation but cannot prove causation. Further research is needed to establish a definitive causal link. This is important for developing effective public health interventions. Section 7. The food industry responds, counter-arguments, and perspectives. The food industry often argues that ultra-processed foods can be part of a balanced diet. They emphasize the convenience and affordability of these products. They also point out the advancements in food technology. They claim this makes processed foods safer and more nutritious. However, critics argue that these arguments often downplay the potential health risks. Section 8. Practical tips. Navigating a world filled with ultra-processed foods. It's challenging to completely avoid ultra-processed foods in today's world. However, we can make conscious choices to reduce our intake. Here are some practical tips. Cook more meals at home using fresh ingredients. Read food labels carefully and be aware of added sugars, unhealthy fats, and sodium content. Choose whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins whenever possible. Be mindful of portion sizes even when consuming ultra-processed foods. Section 9. Reclaiming our health, choosing real food for a longer life. In this section, we will explore the importance of making conscious food choices to enhance our longevity and overall well-being. The rise of ultra-processed foods presents a significant public health challenge. These foods, often high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and artificial additives, are designed to be convenient and tasty, but they come at a cost. These foods are contributing to a range of health problems, including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and even certain types of cancer. The convenience of fast food and processed snacks often leads us to overlook their long-term impacts on our health. This is especially true for middle-aged individuals, who may already be experiencing the cumulative effects of years of poor dietary choices. As we age, our bodies become less resilient to the damage caused by unhealthy eating habits. By understanding the risks associated with these foods, we can make informed choices. Consulting with healthcare professionals such as doctors and nutritionists can provide valuable guidance on how to transition to a healthier diet. Opting for real whole foods is crucial. These foods, which include fresh vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and lean proteins, provide the essential nutrients our bodies need to function optimally. This will lead to better health and well-being. Incorporating regular physical activity and mindfulness practices, such as meditation, can further enhance the benefits of a nutritious diet. Let's prioritize our health by making these positive lifestyle changes. Let's choose a diet rich in nourishing foods. Preparing meals at home using fresh ingredients allows us to control what goes into our bodies and ensures we are consuming wholesome, nutrient-dense foods. Let's work towards a healthier future for ourselves and generations to come. By setting a positive example and fostering healthy habits within our families and communities, we can create a ripple effect that promotes well-being for all. Together, we can reclaim our health and enjoy a longer, more fulfilling life.